come and make a mini packet with me. So first up, I grab an image off the internet that I like. I'll always mess about with the logo. And I'm going to double the image because I'm going to have a front and a back. And I'm going to put a blue border on just to give it extra room and leave a border to the side. I've printed mine on a sticker so that I can put some foil on the back. I'm putting real greasy potato in there, so it needs to be waterproof. Next up, I'm going to stick the base and the spine with double-sided sticky tape. So there it is on the bottom. And I'm going to fold it in place before I take the back off so that it doesn't get sticky and make a mess. So there's the shape. Now take off the sticky tape. There's the spine with a little extra room and the base. Now that little extra room just means when you put the image together there, it doesn't lose any image. I'm going to press down the base and trim it to size. And then I'm going to push the edges in to give it some 3D bulk. Now at this point, I'm going to leave it here. But if you would like to have little display ones, then you can seal the tops and put some recycled paper in or some waste paper. Just fold it, but stick it in there and stick the top. But I'm putting real crisps in. Do you call them crisps or potato chips? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.